Happy morning, everyone,
Happy
and welcome to day 5 of our magic book journey. Happy morning,
Happy,
everyone.
Happy
happy,
morning.
happy morning. Happy
Happy
morning.
morning.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Happy morning. So, yes, everyone, the gift of health is keeping me alive. How many of you remember to make that card and stick it on a place where you could see it more often, maybe minimum 4 to 5 times in a day? How many of you read that and actually thanked that the gift of health is keeping me alive? Yes, please share.
Yes, I have done.
Yes, lovely. I have done too. Okay,
I have also done.
lovely. So you are so now from I mean it was not only yesterday but on and off during the day, just keep on reading and thank, just keep your right palm on the heart center and feel the gift of health that is keeping you alive. Any fear comes up in the mind for whatever reasons, any other thought comes in the mind, कुछ भी feelings अगर कुछ it's not a good feeling in the area of health, then just say this to your mind, and miracles will start happening because you're changing the vibrations of your body. So feel करके बोलना है, okay? So anybody, you had any experience जब आपने बोला उसे, anything you want to share? Yes, you have made the card, but कुछ भी experience हुआ हो, एकदम एक छोटा सा भी experience हुआ हो, तो just share with everyone. No experience is small or big. An experience is an experience for yourself. तो आप share कर सकते हो. Yes. This what I'm seeing is Happy SMS Pune. Can I know your name, please?
Yeah, it's myself, Satish Masukla Shah.
Okay, so you are joining for the first time. Today is your first day.
No, today actually this is third time, but yesterday I was only for 10 minutes. There was a phone call of site demise, so I have to left emergency.
Okay.
So, and actually I was introduced by one of your very new student, Pinal Shah from Ahmedabad.
Okay. Okay.
Just within 2.5 minutes, she has explained me such a good thing about this to say thanks to everyone, whatever by internal feelings. But the problem is myself own. I can't speak out. I can't even what you say ask anything from my family if I want. The words can't come outside. Expressions I can't make it.
So you have to understand the words are there, the feelings are there, the emotions are there, the expressions are there. Only thing is that you need to vent out. उसको आपको just आपने जो बोला, so what do you want? What is your feeling? Do you want? I mean, your desire is to express them and ask for anything? What is it? You have shared
I
them.
don't want
There's a
to
reason.
ask anything. I don't want from them anything. I just want to say thanks from internal heartly. But the thing is that the family head persons, step by step persons, and the respect we maintain, the next generation is can't matching us with us.
Were you
And I
there?
want all
Were
the
you,
things to be maintained with us in a situation that all the persons, all the ages are the same. No one
okay?
is big, no one is small.
Okay, so a good, you have a very nice feeling and very nice thoughts, and I mean words. You really express it very beautifully. But tell me, were you there on day zero?
Pardon?
Day zero में आप थे क्या? Were you there on day zero?
Yeah.
18th को जो हमने start किया था, did you attend that session?
I think मैंने लिंक क्लिक किया था लेकिन कहीं और चला गया था because I'm not very useful to these technologies.
It was on Sunday. It started on a Sunday. Were you there?
No. Then I clicked something else and I went to Adarsh Ahmedabad Yoga Yogini Bin.
So what you can do is there is the recording and you're not there on the group also.
No.
So agar if you want to continue the session, then definitely you have to listen to the recording of day 0, day 1 and day 2. Then only you'll understand कि हमारी journey कहाँ पे है, हम किस तरफ जा रहे हैं. Otherwise it will be just on and off. जब भी आप आओगे and you will listen to the session maybe whatever time. But the commitment अगर नहीं रहेगा तो आप पूरी तरह से समझ नहीं पाओगे इस book को. You will not be able to understand the journey. Okay.
Yep.
So my invitation is that you please, if you really want to continue, then please, something even 0.01% something has touched your heart. Do listen to day 0, 1 and 2 before you go further.
So where can I get this?
So you can be added. You can, if you are on Telegram, you can be added on the group, and I'll add you to the group, and there the YouTube recordings are shared, and you can listen to day 0, day 1 and day 2.
Yeah, I am on Telegram.
So you can send me a hi and I'll add you to the
Sure. ma'am,
hi
thanks.
with your name, and I'll add you to the group. Yes.
Thanks very much.
So yes. So anybody else has any sharings, you can put your videos on, everyone, so that I can see you once and then we can start the session. I'm putting on gallery view, everyone. Please put your videos on so that I can see your faces, lovely faces in the morning, and then we can start the session. Wow. Amazing. Rishabh, I'm seeing you for the first time. Wow. So it's evening there?
Yeah, it's 5 in the evening.
Okay, okay. Nice. Okay. Lovely. So today's session is about magic money. So who all are ready to bring magic in the area of money? Who all are ready? Who all want magics in the area of money?
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes. Yes.
Wow. Yeah, I like this. Yes. Okay. So now, who wants to read today's chapter? Let's see this till the time we are seeing this picture and decoding whatever we can understand from this picture. Just keep your logical mind to one side and then enter the picture and then see how things will start revealing itself to you. So just focus on the picture. You can hear different sounds outside. You can hear the sounds of your own thoughts and words, but just focus on the picture and see what you can see. And after you have spoken, you can mute yourself. And then whenever you want to speak, you can unmute yourself and speak.
Money bag full of money.
Bag full.
Money bag full of money, money bag, and it is full of money. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, is there a broom behind?
A broom.
Something hanging?
Yeah, this now, it's a broom. Yeah. Okay.
To remove bad thoughts.
Okay. Okay.
कचरा निकालना है दिमाग में
Okay.
से.
Okay.
All magic light is showering only on money bag and money.
Yes. Yes. So can you visualize this in your life? So much money is pouring into your life. Everyone, just imagine this. And do you feel happy when you see this?
All the good things must
Yeah.
be happen to us only, and we give the good things to others.
Okay, okay.
With not what do you think? Bed
Yeah. Yeah, for others and for yourself also?
Yep.
Lovely, lovely. So the amount of money which we are seeing in this purse is bigger. It's more than the capacity of the purse. So there's abundance of money, and this is the truth. The truth is that there is no scarcity of money in the universe. The universe has abundance of money. Only thing is we need to ask for it and believe in it and ready to receive. So ask, believe, and receive. That is what the law of attraction says. The law of attraction works on these 3 steps. And of course, visualize is the 4th step. And the belief is really important. Whatever is your belief about money, if you feel that you are in the area of money, there's scarcity, then there'll be scarcity. If you feel that you have abundance of money, even if you have 500 rupees in your bank account, that is abundance. That is the energy which we need to give in any area of your life. So today's chapter is about money. So let's feel. So what the picture is showing us is that the amount of, the capacity of whatever is the capacity of the purse, the amount is more. That's why it's just spilling out, right? So whenever something like this we see, just capture this picture in your mind, and whenever you feel any smallness in the area of money, remember this picture. Remember this picture, and there's nothing, so there are some beliefs about money, maybe since your childhood, and of course, most of the beliefs come from childhood. So the belief is that money doesn't grow on trees. Money is the root cause of all evil. If that is your belief, just identify that, and you really need to heal that belief by the end of this session. It's we must have heard in our childhood, that's fine, but now is the time, now is the opportunity to convert this belief into a positive belief, because these beliefs lead us to scarcity, and they create so much fear, all negative thoughts in the mind, and then we go below the line of the feeling chart, if you remember the feeling chart. Okay, so there is only, so if you look at the complete picture, don't look at the minute details, that there is, there's a broomstick, and there, so much light is pouring in. And in the area of money, so whether we did, so the 3rd chapter, before this we healed the area of relationship, then we healed the area of health, which was yesterday. एंड अगर हमने उन एरियाज को अगर हील कर लिया है, तो मनी का एरिया अपने आप हील हो जाता है. Just remember one thing, whenever you feel any scarcity in any area of your life, whether it's relationship, money, career, health, just remember one thing, कि जो भी हुआ है, this is because of the seeds that you have sown in the past. आपने जो भी seeds बोए हैं मनी की एरिया में, you are getting it back right now. So just identify for yourself what is happening in your life right now. Okay. So, and then you will get unexpected cash in your life. Money will flow to you in an unexpected way. आपने expect भी नहीं किया होगा, कहाँ से, from wherever, from everywhere you will get. But first you need to clear your beliefs about money. Very, very important. Okay. So now, who would like to read? Rushabh, would you like to read? Since you're there and I saw you today.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
So, yeah. Gratitude is riches, complaint is poverty. Christian Science Hymnal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please read the complete para. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If there is a lack of money in your life, understand that feelings worried, envious, jealous, disappointed, discouraged, doubtful, and fearful about money can never bring more money to you, because those feelings come from a lack of gratitude for money, gratitude for the money you have. Complaining about money, arguing about money, getting frustrated about money, being critical of the cost of something, or making someone else feel bad about money are not acts of gratitude, and the money in your life can never improve. It will worsen.
Yes. So let's identify for ourselves, each one of us, कि मेरा belief money के area में क्या है. is my belief that I keep on getting worried on small, small things when it comes to the area of money. Do I become envious? Do I become jealous? Do I feel disappointed? So just identify which are the when are the moments when you feel worried about money, when you actually have to pay, right? Then maybe in the beginning of the month or end of the month, or whenever you're about to get your salary, anything, it could be anything. So whenever you have to pay, I mean the school fees, or whenever it is whenever you have to pay, that time the worry comes. Or maybe you have to buy something and you're not able to. Envious, jealous is that somebody else is having what you wanted. So just think that you've always wanted a car for yourself, and you know what car you want, which brand you want, which is the color you want, how will be your car, how will everything you have designed in your mind. And the same car, your neighbor gets it. And then what happens? Then what happens is that you start feeling a little bit of negative thought which is identified as jealousy. So you start feeling jealous or you start feeling disappointed. Anything can happen in this area, but more of it is jealousy. And how could that person get what I wanted? I wanted it, but my neighbor has got it. So then what happens is that just understand this one thing, that your jealousy is not for your neighbor, but it's for the car. And you have written in your dream list that I thank you, thank you, thank you for the car, whatever, and the brand and everything you've written. Now what is happening? At one time you've written that you want something, which is a car, and when your neighbor gets it, which is again the same car, you are sending negative energies. So understand, this world of magic is all about energies, the energy flow, which starts only. If your jealousy would have been towards your neighbor, it would have been before also. But no, it was only. So, can you please mute yourself, everyone who's not reading? Thank you. So, so your jealousy is for your not for your neighbor, but for the car which the neighbor has got. So unconsciously we keep on doing things in our life, and then we think that why am I not able to manifest things? Or maybe you are walking, you are on the road, you're driving, and you see the same car. You are in a cab and you see the same car which you want, and you actually get, in some corner of your heart or some corner of your mind, you feel little envious or jealous. So just identify that for yourself. If that is happening, then there and there, what do? We just be grateful to the things we have in our life, especially in the area of money. So you might be discouraged. You have been working so hard, but whatever salary you want, or whatever you had desired to get by the end of the month or by the end of the year, whatever goals you've set for yourself, you're not able to fulfill those goals. So you feel discouraged and doubtful. Doubt is the greatest thing which can happen in anyone's life. If you are in the magical world, never doubt. Just allow things to happen and then see how so many doors will open for you. Fearful, when we did the feeling chart, fear was the lowest in the feeling chart. Fear of anything. Remember, the full form of fear is false evidence. Anybody? Can you complete it? What's the full form of fear? We discussed it when we were doing the feeling chart.
False evidence appearing real.
Yes. So just remember this. Anytime a fear of anything comes, think that it is right now. Is that fear in front of you? Or is it coming from a past experience? Or you're thinking of future and creating that fear in your mind? Just identify that and then see how it starts dissolving. And after you've identified, just keep on being grateful. So if you are feeling lack of anything, it's just complaining. You're complaining about money. If all these feelings, which is worried, envious, jealous, disappointed, discouraged, doubtful, fearful, all these, any of these feelings are there, then you feel, then just understand that you are complaining about money. The seeds what you are sowing right now is not that will give you fruits. And even if you, it will give you fruits, those fruits will not be sweet, they'll be sour. So what do you want, to eat sweet fruits without any worms, or you want just keep on tasting sour fruits? The decision is yours, the choice is yours, and we always get a choice. We always get a choice in our lives for everything. So now if you've identified that, whatever, wherever, whichever space you are in right now, in the area of money, then what do we do? So before that, let's understand that in our life, there are three kalas, you know, the three, when we talk of time, we talk of kalas. So what are they? Kal, Hindi mein kal bolte hain, and if you talk in English, it's called kalas. So what are they? Anybody, any guesses?
Samay.
Yes?
Tense,
Present, future, the
present,
tenses.
present tenses
Yes, yes. So past, present, and
and
future.
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 Today's chapter is about being grateful for all the money that we have received in the past. Okay. And then when we do that, our current, which is the present, is healed completely. And then there's be a chapter in which, so there are three chapters in this book in the area of money. Today is just the first step that we are taking. And the first step is always healing the past. For anything, if you take relationship or health or, always healing the past first, because that is from where our beliefs are coming from. तो वो beliefs को पहले पूरा निकालना है. Because so beliefs, if the beliefs are positive, it's fine. But if you're not happy in the area, that means your beliefs are negative. So first identify your beliefs. Okay. So that's why we're doing about the past. And remember this, when we remember the past, actually, we remember the past only for a learning. अगर कोई चीज की learning अगर हमको करनी है, तो then only we remember the past, not that we want to go deeper into the past. So let's understand this very simply, that past is history, future is mystery, present is a gift, just enjoy it. So present is always like this. So जब हम time को linear scale में लेते हैं, when we take time as linear, then all this comes, past, present, and future. But when we take time as this, so in the magical world, time is always like this. That's why we have written the dreams in the present tense, right? वहाँ पे time ऐसे नहीं होता है. In the earthbound space, because of we are in the earthbound space, we identify time as that, because बचपन से ही we have understood time as that. Even the clock. So 25 minutes back, it was 5:30, and now it's 5 minutes to 6. So it's moving, na? The clock itself. So as kids, we learned how to see the time. तो वो ही दिमाग में चला गया, वो ही seeds दिमाग में है कि time is moving. It's moving. It's always on a linear scale. But now it's a new awakening for us, new awareness for us. We can, of course, we have to be, since we are on earth, we have to be in that space. But at the same time, there is a parallel universe also, and there are many, many parallel universes. Am I talking? Is it making sense to all of you? Whatever I'm saying, or it's going beyond?
Yes. No, it's going.
Yes, yes.
So there are parallel universes. So you'll say, how don't I understand time as linear? And that the watch is telling me, and everything is telling me, the day, the nature is telling me that now it's morning, then it'll be afternoon, then it will be evening, and then night, and again then morning, like that. So the cyclical nature is like that. So yes, that is true. But at the same time, you can also understand time in the now. In the now. So whenever you are in the now, then you see your life will be always happy. Right now, wherever you're sitting, whichever time you're sitting in, just think, you can close your eyes and think that, am I happy right now? Am I joyful right now? Am I satisfied right now? Am I contented right now? Even if I have money to eat food, even if I have money to just stay in this beautiful house where there's so much ample light, and I can do anything whatever I want, I have so much. So always, whenever you feel there's scarcity of anything, I remember my mom used to tell me every time that whenever you are in a state of disappointment, whenever you are feeling low, whenever you are feeling fearful or discouraged or doubtful, just think of the people who are not, who are below you, as in that they are not having things what you have. Just think of that. Don't think of people who are, who are having things what you don't have. Okay, so then actually you get your mind into the now. Just always keep on getting your mind into the now. This vertical line, not the linear. Time is just like this. So if you get a chance to read this book by Eckhart Tolle, The Power of Now. Has anybody read this book, The Power of Now, by Eckhart Tolle?
No, no.
No.
Really
No.
beautiful book. If you can just get hold of that book any time of in your life, just read that book. When you are in the now, so many portals, matlab so many windows open. हमारे earthbound space में, we don't understand those windows, but there's something beyond. There's a power which is beyond our imagination, and that power not beyond our imagination. We have felt that power, but उस power में जाने के लिए we actually have to be in the now. वो portals को खोलने के लिए we have to be in the now. So why I am emphasizing more before we are going into this chapter, because money is a very important area in our life. हम चाहते हैं कि बहुत मनी आए, हम चाहते हैं कि we satisfy ourselves and we want to give others and help others, especially in today's wherever we are in today's atmosphere. The whole world is going through a crisis. I mean, if you think that it is a crisis, it is a crisis. Otherwise, I'm telling you, it's a beautiful space we are in right now. The shift which we are going through, we will never experience that. We will never experience that. And after the world, after this is really, really beautiful. Let's think like that. So let's all think and give those energies to Mother Earth, which I spoke and I'm going to speak every day, because it is our energies which is creating a difference, a shift in the world, and especially ourselves. So we all are part of the collective consciousness. So let's now identify for ourselves, coming back to the chapter where we are, the area of money. Whatever you have right now, just be grateful for it. And believe me, whatever very little, so we heard about the story of Rhonda Byrne also, what she did in her life on day zero. She was in huge debt, and what she did, whatever little money she had in a bank account, she just went on the road, looked into the eyes of people who really needed it, and she just gave it. I don't say that you also do the same, but she did with she didn't have any expectation, and she felt like doing it from her heart. So her feelings were really different that time. So then what happened? So then actually she was, the universe was there with her. The universe was there with her, and then we all know what happened. So this book, The Secret movie came, and this book came, and she shared all her experiences about what she did. So today's chapter is all about just identify first and then move further. Understand from the perspective of what time is and what money is. Money is just a form of energy, just as everything. So we've heard of Nikola Tesla, who was not known, who was not, when he was alive, he was not known. But the Tesla car, which has just come, is because of the inventions and discoveries what he had made. So he always said that his one understanding, which we have all got, is that if you want to understand the miracles in the universe, then understand everything as energy. Understand everything as frequency and vibration. And money is also one of the purest form of energies. Like we are also forms of energy. Whatever you're seeing around you is forms of energy. Okay, so money is the purest form of energy. So how, let's understand this, that you have a 2000 rupee note with you just now in the country wherever you are. Okay, so let's assume in India, you're staying in India and you're having a 2000 rupee note, and it has got great value. With 2000 rupee note, you can buy so many things. Okay, for a day-to-day living, you can buy so many things if you feel so. Okay, then supposing you are in Japan or you are in Switzerland, and there if you want to use this 2000 rupee note, will you be able to use it? Yes, no.
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 No, because the form of energy which is accepted over there, the form of currency which is accepted over there is different. Okay, so you'll have to convert it into that currency and then you can use it. Even if you have dollars with you right now, will you be able to buy anything, any grocery or any fruits or vegetables which you want to buy? No, the answer will always be no. So that is the reason that money is just, so how the value was given to the currency whichever you have. Can you please mute yourself? Bharatji, you are unmuted. Please mute yourself. Thank you. So, coming back to money is the form of energy. So, how value was added to it? Because the Reserve Bank of India gave a value to it. So that is how, let's understand money as just, otherwise it's just paper, no? It's a form of paper. But we have given so much importance to it, for many, many reasons. I would not like to go into the detail of it, but just understand that money is the form of energy. And whatever energies you are giving to that form of energy, you will get back in your life. Okay, so please continue. Rishabh, are you
No,
there?
yeah.
Yeah.
No matter what your current situation, the very thought that you don't have enough money is being ungrateful for the money you have. You have to get your current situation out of your mind and instead feel grateful for the money you do have. So the money in your life can magically increase. Whoever has a gratitude for money will be given more, and she or he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for money, even what she or he has will be taken from her or him.
So just form this equation in your mind, that gratitude for money, since we are talking of this, so you can write it in your journal. Every time we are doing every chapter, there are certain equations which you can make for yourself, so that whenever you see, whenever you read that, whenever you chance, have chance to open your book, that will flash. Okay, so gratitude for money is equal to abundance. Gratitude for money is equal to abundance. Just make this as your motto, the takeaway for today's chapter: gratitude for money. If you have gratitude for money, you will get abundance. Why? Because you're giving those energies. And we don't need to write this equation that whoever does not have gratitude, because we don't want that. And now we have identified, we are intelligent enough now that now we will not go into that, so because we know that one complaint we make for anything, we have to write 10 blessings. We go 10 steps back. So if you are ready to do that, then you keep on saying this. But otherwise, just remember this: gratitude for money is equal to abundance. Like in when we used to study maths, we had so many formulas. So this is one formula. Just take it for yourself from today itself, from this moment. From this moment, just take it for yourself. Yes, please continue.
Feeling grateful for money when you have very little is challenging for anyone. But when you understand that nothing will change until you are grateful, you will be inspired to do it. The subject of money can be a tricky one for many people, especially when they don't have enough. So there are two steps to the magic money practice. It's important that you read through entire practice of magic money at the beginning of the day, because you will continue with the money practice throughout the day. Sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood before you had any or money much and any or much money. As you recall each memory where money was paid for, you say and feel the magic words thank you with all your heart for each instance. Did
So
you
yes,
always?
we'll pause here and we'll do a visualization. So everyone is ready to do the visualization. Just move your body a little bit and make yourself as comfortable as you can. Very important to sit with an erect spine. If you want, you can take a support of the chair, or on close to the wall. Just keep your spine erect. If you want, you can keep a cushion behind you, but raise your chest, expand your lungs, keep your spine erect. And if you are crossing your legs, uncross your legs. And remember that the first day itself, we actually saw that video and we felt childlike. Just feel like a child right now. Feel that beauty, that magnificence which you had when you were a child. Just be with it. And focus on your breaths. Feel your breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale out. Exhale longer than the inhalation. Take one deep, long inhalation and your exhalation longer than the inhalation. If everybody can mute yourself, please. And one more deep breath in. And exhale out with a sound. Exhale out with a humming sound. And one more deep breath in and exhale out. And go back to the memories of your childhood. Just feel. Go back to the time when you were born. Go back to the time when you were born. Who paid the hospital bills? Just say thank you. Thank you. Thank you, grandmom. Thank you, granddad. Or maybe thank you, father, for paying the hospital bills. Just feel it. I was not there to say thank you, but right now I'm saying thank you. Just feel it and say thank you. Always have food to eat. When you were a child, did you always have food to eat? Whatever you wanted was made available to you. You wanted to go out and eat. You wanted to eat an ice cream. You wanted to eat a chocolate. You wanted to eat any food of your choice. Any vegetable of your choice, and it was there for you. Just say thank you. Thank you so much. Did you have a home to stay? Did you have a house to stay in? Beautiful house with all the amenities. Whatever you had, just be grateful for it. Just now, if the mind says no, just say yes. Just say yes and say thank you. whatever I was given at that time. Thank you. Thank you so much. Did you receive an education for so many years, and who paid the bills? Who paid the fees? Who paid the fees of the books, the stationery, everything? The college, the school, who paid the fees? Say thank you, Father. Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much. And how did you travel to school each day? Did you travel by school bus or by public bus or by car, or you walked down? The school was close by. Just remember those moments and say thank you. Thank you for all the money that I had during that time. I had money to pay to the conductor if I was traveling in a bus. I had the money to pay for the petrol of the car. I had the money, and it was given to me at no cost. And everything was available to me. Say thank you. Thank you so much. And what about the vacations that you had that time when you were a child? You used to go to your school trips, and everything was made available to you by your parents, by your grandparents, by your uncle, by your aunt, whoever made it available to you. Say thank you. Thank you. Did you go by car to your vacation? Did you take a train? Did you go by flight? And which hotel did you stay in? And what kind of places you visited? And it was so beautiful. And what shopping you did? Say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the money that I had at that time. Give your happy, joyful, loving energies to the money that you had at that time. And every year when you had your birthday, when your birthday was there, what gifts did you receive? Which friends came to your birthday? Which relatives were there? And what did you receive from everyone? So much love, care, and whatever you wanted, you got those gifts. And how exciting it was to open those gifts when everybody went, and you just waited for one by one. You opened those gifts and you celebrated, you enjoyed it, you danced. Wow, I got what I wanted. Just be happy right now. Express, let your emotions flow out. Say thank you. Thank you so much for all the gifts that I received in all my birthdays. Even when you were in your youth. Just remember and say thank you. Did you have toys to play? Did you have a bike? Maybe a remote control bike? Or you had those dinky cars and you like collecting them? So beautiful. Just feel those happy memories and say thank you. Thank you. Did you have a pet you really wanted and it was there? Or you just played with your neighbor's pet and you felt so happy. So happy you felt. Say thank you. And did you have the most brands of clothes, the most famous brands of clothes? Every season there was a change in the fashion. And you got those clothes or whatever you had. You were so happy. You have clothes to wear, that was really important. And yes, just say thank you. Thank you so much. And whenever the clothes where you grew and your height grew and your body grew, and with every growing age you had different pairs of clothes. You discard the old clothes and you had new clothes. Say thank you. Thank you so much. have the opportunity to go to movies, play sports, learn a musical instrument, you wanted to learn how to play guitar, you wanted to learn how to play tabla or a congo or harmonium, and everything was arranged for you, and who paid for it? Just say thank you. Feel it, and say thank you for giving me all what I wanted. Did you have watches, shoes, accessories? Just say thank you for all that. When you went for a movie, you wanted to eat a popcorn, you wanted to eat a chocolate ice cream, a choco cone, and everything was there. And you enjoyed it while watching the movie. What a delight it was to watch the movie and have the popcorn. Wow, wow. Say thank you. And whenever you fell sick, did you have money to go to the doctor and take the medicine? And it was not that you had to collect money and then go to the doctor. It was readily available to you. Say thank you right now. Take this opportunity of feeling it and saying thank you for all the money that you had. Did you ever go to a dentist? Say thank you so much for the money that I had to pay to the dentist, and whatever problem was there in my teeth was all healed at that time. Say thank you. Thank you so much. And did you have all the essential items like we use every day, like the shampoo, the soap, the towels, everything, the oils, what was made available to you? Say thank you so much. Thank you. Your favorite perfumes, your deodorant, everything was there. Say thank you so much. Thank you. And did you have a car to travel, a chauffeur-driven car or a self-drive car, whatever it was? Say thank you so much. Or you had money to travel in a bus. Say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And did you have a television set? You remember the first television, which was a black and white TV? And remember your favorite shows you used to watch? Say thank you so much for the money which was there, because of which I could enjoy watching my favorite TV shows. Thank you, I could watch the cricket match. Say thank you. Were you able to make phone calls? Say thank you. Thank you so much. And when you're saying this, see how your energies are changing. The flow of energy is increasing because you're so grateful for all what you had received in the past. Did you have lights? Did you have electricity? Did you have enough water? Say thank you, because you avail all these things at no cost. Say thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Feel it in your heart. Feel it in your heart. Feel it in every cell of your body. Feel it. Feel it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Slowly open your eyes. So yes, how did you feel? Anybody wants to share a quick share before we go further?
या वरना जी जैसे ये लगा कि कितना सारा हमने लिया है पापा से या बड़े भाई बहन से, और कितना सारा उन लोगों ने दिया है। आज तक पता ही नहीं था कि वी आर सो रिच, कितना सारा था।
Yes. Yes.
और पता ही नहीं कि ये सब के लिए किसने पे किया, कैसे पे किया, कहाँ से लाए होंगे वो लोग, पर सिर्फ उन लोगों ने हमारी खुशी देखी है और हमको सब देते ही गए हैं।
Yes.
we are
So,
we are really very thankful to all of them.
so true. So true. And the money, of course, and you really feel so grateful, na? So much you feel that what you had is was so much, and what you have right now also is so much. So that's what is the whole idea, that whatever money you had in the past, just be grateful. Anytime you feel there's scarcity, just think of this. ये मेमोरी को आप एकदम कैप्चर करके जस्ट कीप इट विथ यू राइट नाउ. व्हाटएवर you felt, just keep it with you. Okay, just keep this experience, keep this memory. Of course it is stored, but you have to revisit this memory again. Yes. Anybody else has anything to share? Okay, so we can start reading. All of these things cost money. You start from here.
All of these things cost money, and you receive them all at no charge. As you travel back through your memories, of your childhood and youth, you will realize that how many things you received that equate to hard-earned money. Be grateful for your every single instance of and memory, because when you can feel sincere gratitude for the money you have received in the past, your money will magically increase in the future. It is guaranteed by universal law. To continue with the practice.
Yeah, so just a minute, we'll pause here. So why did I do this visualization is that when in the world of magic, in the world of manifestation, if you really want to manifest quickly in your life, whenever you get time during the day, before you go to sleep in the night especially, and when you wake up in the morning, sit with yourself, and whichever area you feel that there is some attention is required, you're not happy in that area of your life, just sit and visualize. Because when we visualize, we can go into the depth of the feelings, and the universe understands the language of feelings. So whenever you visualize, actually you are changing your energies to the core. मतलब cellular level पे आप अपनी energies को change कर रहे हो, which is not visible to you right now, but you'll definitely experience it. Because okay, is anybody feeling lighter and happier after doing the visualization?
Yeah.
Yes,
A sense
Yeah.
of contentment and peace also. Yes.
Ma'am, when we were visualizing, I was roaming all around my childhood. मतलब ऐसे लग रहा था सब मेरे साथ अभी हो रहा है, इतना लाइट फील हो रहा है. ऐसे लग रहा था हाँ डेंटिस्ट के पास भी गए थे, ये भी हुआ था, वो भी हुआ था. एवरीथिंग रिकॉल्ड.
Everything is real, and it is real because when we feel time as this, then everything is happening now. So in the magical world, time is not this. If you've really felt this, you have stepped into the magical world. Yes. So
Yes.
so if I mean now, so when you are in this, so remember the feeling chart. When you are happy, joyful, contented, peaceful, grateful, then in that space your energies are so high that whatever you want, whatever is your desire, you will manifest it as, like this you will manifest. Okay, so just be careful right now. Yes. To continue with the practice of magic money.
To continue with the practice of the magic money, take a dollar bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill, "Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life."
Yes, please read.
Take your magic dollar bill with you today and put it in your wallet, purse, or pocket at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, as many times as you want. Take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands and read your written words. And
little slowly.
yeah, read your written words and Be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. The more sincere you are and the more you feel it, the faster you will see a miraculous change to the circumstances of your money.
Yes,
You
so
will
what, yeah, we'll pause here. So what you have to do is now starts the actual thing, the practice is it's written dollar bill. So whichever currency you are using, whichever country you are in, the lowest currency you're going to take. So, we can take a 10 rupee note. Why a lowest currency is, so supposing, when I did for the first time, I did it on a 100 rupee note. And then I don't know, somehow 3, 4 months back. So first time when I did was 11 years, 12 years back. And then that time, okay, it was there, but then it slipped off and everything came back to square one because my practice went off. Then again, when I started my practice in the month of September, and since then I've been practicing and I made the magic money at that time on a 10 rupee note. And why a 10 rupee note is that, we feel what is a 10 rupee? What is 5 rupees? Actually, if your energies, if your frequency, if your vibrations, if your feelings towards that 10 rupee note is the same as a 2000 rupee note, or, it is, you feel that that 10 rupee note is as good as 1 lakh for you. If that feeling is there, then actually you will start attracting money in your life. So that is the whole idea, that if you take a 10 rupee note and just stick on a sticker on a note, on a post-it you get na, so on a post-it. So I would request many of you, last time what you did was you just took a piece of paper and you stuck it with Fevicol or glue on the note. Please avoid doing that. What you can do is just take those post-it stickers and you get them in all shapes and sizes. If you want, you can just cut it into a small rectangular long sheet. If you don't have the ready ones, just write on that in block letters, thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. So सारे पैसे के लिए जो मुझे मिले हैं, जिंदगी में मिला है, उसके लिए मैं कृतज्ञ हूँ. Okay, कृतज्ञ हूँ, not कृतज्ञ, कृतज्ञ हूँ. So just write that, and so that the currency, I mean, you've taken a rupee or a magic dollar bill, whatever. Now what you have to do is either put it in your wallet, purse or pocket, or my suggestion is that stick it at a place where you will see it quite often. Okay, so if you are in your office, then you can carry one in your purse. You can make 2 notes if you're going to office. If you are working at home, work from home only, then just stick it at a place where everyone can see and you yourself can see. Okay, so at least once in the morning, you can also stick it on your vision board. For those of you who have made the vision board, for those of you who don't know, just don't think about it. For those of you who have made your vision board, you can stick it on your vision board. But one thing is that if you're sticking it at some place, then you actually, as the next para will say, that you have to actually take it 2 to 3 times in a day. So it's written here only. At least once in the morning, once in the afternoon, or as many times as you want, take it out and hold it in your hands. Because when you hold it in your hands, you actually get to the feeling of it. Okay, you really feel it. Some feeling of whatever money you've received in the past, that feeling will start coming and it will become deeper and deeper. That's the reason you're asked to hold it. So see if you can, don't stick it, keep it at a place, don't stick it on your vision board. Or if you are traveling, you're going out of home, out of your house, then just carry it in your wallet. So maybe you will not remember, so you can make 2 notes. Okay, but do remember to put this, thank you for all the money that I have been given throughout my life. Okay, and keep on visualizing, not only for today or tomorrow, but every single day, as many times. So just play it like a game. Anything, whatever is written, play it like a game. Okay, for those who have made the note and you have done it in the past, anything you want to share? How was your experience when you actually held the note in your hand, or you just kept it at a place and you don't remember to see it? Any experience you had? Anybody?
Yeah, if I can say.
Did you make a note? You were not there, na, last
No,
time.
I was not there, but many past years ago, there was a as I am a Jain, I worship every day in temple and even at home. I kept the coins. In Diwali, we keep coins and the notes, something. That
Huh.
coins I have put in the vision, the open mandir at my house. Every day, I used to thank you for this you have given me. And from that money, in last 3 years ago, I have taken a sangh. I've taken some people to make yatras for 2 days.
Wow, wow.
So
That's really
that's what
interesting.
I am doing from many years. I don't know what was I doing, but I am thankful for that every day. Even
That
today, there are coins kept in my temple. We worship every day. Not to the money, the God, but the money is the coins are kept as a shukran.
Yeah. So now
Yeah,
you know it's a form of energy. If you can just
of
think
course,
that
yes.
way, and you can make this 10 rupee or 10
Anything,
rupee note also, and you
anything,
can see.
anything. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
anything.
yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Thank you.
welcome.
Anybody
वरना
who
जी,
has made, anybody wants to share?
हाँ, वरना जी, जब पहला सेशन अटेंड किया, हिना बात करें, पहला सेशन अटेंड किया था, तभी ये नोट बना रही थी। और एवरी मॉर्निंग जो आपने बताया था उसी तरह ग्रेटिट्यूड करती हूँ। तो तब अभी क्या फील हो रहा है कि पहले तो हम दिवाली में जो लक्ष्मी पूजन का डे आता था ना, तभी हम लक्ष्मी पूजा कर रहे थे। तो अभी तो मैं हर रोज वो फीलिंग, मुझे वो फील हो रहा है कि मैं हर रोज लक्ष्मी पूजा कर रही हूँ। तो उस दिन की जब उस दिन मैं जो जो करती हूँ वैसे फीलिंग के साथ में उसको ग्रेटिट्यूड करती हूँ।
Yes, and the changes have come in the area of money, definitely.
यस यस, डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली।
Yes, yes, yes. So
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू।
so thankful to you what you shared, both of you. I didn't get your name. Please, can you tell your name? Happy SMS Pune is there on the
Yeah, myself, my brand is Happy. My name is Satish M. Shah.
Satish M
M.
Shah.
Shah.
Okay, okay,
And my brand is
Satish.
Happy.
Yes. And your what?
Brand is Happy. I have
Brand
a,
is happy.
yeah,
Okay,
I'm
okay,
manufacturing mukhwas.
okay, 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 okay. Thank you, thank
Yeah,
you for
thank you.
sharing that. Okay, yeah. Please continue reading. You will never know. Okay, anybody else wants to read? Or we continue with the same reader? Okay, please
यस
continue.
आई कैन।
I can read.
Okay, first Hina ji, you said?
यस,
Okay, okay. Thank you, Rishabh, for reading the chapter for us. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, Hina ji.
you will never Vasan,
The rest of you, please mute yourself. What happened, Hina ji?
you will never know। वहां से रीड करना है।
हाँ, वहीं से.
हाँ, okay. First of all, happy morning to all of you. You will never know ahead of time how your money will increase, but likely you will see many different circumstances change for you to have more money. You could find money you didn't realize you had, receive unexpected cash or check, receive discounts, rebates, or decrease in cost, or receive all kind of material things that would have cost you money. After today,
Yes.
after today, put put your magic dollar bill in a place where you will continue to see it every day to remind you to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given, never forgetting that the more items,
More
more times,
times you look.
more times, वो कर्सर आ रहा है ना आपका बीच में, हाँ, more
अच्छा नहीं,
times,
अच्छा मैं हटा देती हूँ.
हाँ,
Okay.
more times you look at your magic dollar bill and feel gratitude for the money you have been given. The more magic you will bring forth, the more magic you will bring forth. An abundance of gratitude for money equals an abundance of
money.
Yes. So it's not necessary that you will get money as in money in the form of money, in the form of cash. You might receive unexpected cash. Somebody will give you something, will flow, some kind of shares which were lying, which were you were not aware of, that will fall into your bank account. Anything will happen. You'll get unexpected checks. And also you will receive discounts. This is really interesting. 1+1 you will get, when you are ordering something online, you're ordering and something, you have, you don't know when you're ordering that there's a discount, but when the bill comes, or when after you've placed the order, you'll see, oh wow, there's a discount. And on that discount also you'll get something, some free thing will come. You'll get rebates or decreases in cost. You've gone to buy something, and when you bought it from the rack, you have just taken it thinking whatever is the cost, because it's written at the back of everything or in the front. And then when you're paying, actually the person who's taking the money, the person will say, there is, there it is less, this is for 1,000 rupees, but you are getting a discount of 200 rupees, so it is 800 rupees. So could be anything. So you could receive any kind of material things. So what, supposing you wanted to buy an oven for yourself, oven for the house, and you're thinking, or you want to buy an air fryer for the house, and you're thinking, I need to buy, let me place an order, like that. You're thinking, what brand should I take? And suddenly somebody calls you and says that I have an extra air fryer. Do you want it? Because I'm not using it. So actually what is happening? Somebody is giving you something which you wanted to buy, and you don't have to pay cash for it, and you're just accepting it as a gift because that person is gifting you that. Or maybe it's your birthday and somebody has given you, so, and you thought about it. So what is happening? Actually, you created that energy to move in that direction, and it came to you. Just see the science behind it. So all this can happen in your life. This is what is going to increase the flow of money in your life. So what you have to do is you have to place the magic dollar bill at a place where you will be reminded quite often. So supposing you are reading a book, you can just put it in the book also, so that it becomes like a bookmark, and every time you open the book and it comes in front of you. You could do that also. And just remember one thing, an abundance of gratitude for money. Agar money ki area mein abundance hai, so you are grateful for it. Agar if you are grateful to it, then there is a lot of abundance. It's a double-end sentence, it मतलब abundance है तो gratitude है तो abundance है तो gratitude है. It's a double-end sentence. So ये equation को आप लिख सकते हो, just write it wherever you can, so that you're reminded of it, to be grateful every time. Okay. Yes. If you find yourself in a situation,
if you find yourself in a situation where you are about to complain about something to do with money, whether it's through your words or your thoughts, ask yourself, am I willing to pay the price for this complaint? Because that one complaint will slow or even stop the flow of money.
yes, so even the smallest complaint like this, that if your kid has left few pieces of mango, somebody you've given a mango, and the person has left few pieces on the plate, and you immediately say, do you know how much costly it is? What is the cost of one mango, and you're leaving it? You know how often we say that, yes, no, and we keep on counting and complaining about money.
Yes.
So stop yourself right now. This is also the biggest form of complaint that you can make about money. Something has got over in the house, in the kitchen, and you say, what? I just got 5 days back. How can it get over? क्या मनी पेड़ में उगता है कि आप ऐसे यूज कर रहे हो? So you can complain to anyone like that. So that just stop yourself from saying this. Just stop yourself right now and identify if that is happening, then please don't say. So next time when you are about to say that, stop yourself. If still you want to say, then ask yourself this question. Am I willing to pay the price for this complaint? Because one complaint, you'll go 10 steps back. And not only that, whatever blessings in the area of money is coming your way, that will also become slow or even stop, depending upon the complaint you have made, depending upon the degree of the feeling which you have made with the complaint, the intensity of the feeling. just and we all are intelligent enough to understand that हमने क्या feeling के साथ में बोली. अगर आप उसको deny करोगे तो you can keep on denying, but once you can identify and be honest with yourself that yes, I have done it and now I know what to do, immediately sit down and write 10 blessings. And I'm telling you, it's not just I'm saying, I have done it also, and I know when I immediately sit down and do it, not waiting for the next moment to come, the changes which take place are very, very powerful. When you change your energies immediately, you'll think, okay, I'll write it in the night now when I'm sitting to write down, when I do the magic rock practice, or when I'm free, I'm going to do. No. Please take out time to do that. You have made a complaint now. Now you have to do. You have to pay the price to yourself, to nobody else, because you want to change the energies of money in your life. If you really want to do that, then you really have to stop yourself right now, because right now we are just in the first week of the magic world. If you identify and rectify yourself right now, you will see magics appearing very quickly in your life. See, experiencing is something you're feeling very good right now, but then the next moment, if you forget and your feelings change, then it has got no value. So whatever we are getting from this call, whatever we are getting from this book, whatever knowledge we are getting, please use it immediately. Yes, please continue.
From this day forward, make a promise to
To
make a
yourself.
promise to yourself that whenever you receive any money, whether it's your salary for work, a refund or discount, or something that someone gives you that costs money, you will be truly grateful for it. Each of these discom- uh, circumstances means that you have received money, and each instance gives you an opportunity to use gratitude's magical power to increase and multiply your money even more by being grateful for the money you have just received.
Yes, so promise yourself today that whenever you receive money, whether it's salary, you know what, whenever you receive a salary for the job, for the work that you have done, our intelligent mind, हमारा शातिर दिमाग क्या बोलता है? What's the big deal? I gave my time, I gave my energy, and I'm getting money for that. No, don't do that mistake. Just be grateful. Just be grateful and go into the depth of the feeling of being grateful. You can be grateful to your boss. You can be grateful to if somebody is in a job. You can be grateful to your boss. You can be grateful for the employees which are working. You can be grateful for the place which you have to work, that ambience which you have. You can be grateful for so many things. You can be grateful to the company you're working for, and then be grateful. So all these are giving you money, because of them you are getting the money, your salary, right? So just be grateful, go into the depth of it, and be grateful for small things. Supposing you have a business of your own, then just be grateful for the people who are ordering you. Just be grateful for yourself that you're giving things on time. Be grateful for small things. Just be grateful for the vendors. Just be grateful for everything, whatever you can. You have to go into the depth of it. Okay. And supposing you get a refund or a discount, so you have paid by Google Pay, or you have paid by Paytm, or you have a card, you have a gold card of some Shoppers Stop or anything, and uh, you get a scratch card. Supposing in Google Pay nowadays you get a scratch card, and supposing you have paid by Google, and you get it's a surprise for you. Don't know that you're going to get it, and it's an unexpected thing what happens. So if that happens, you get a scratch card of 100 rupees, and you can use it for something else what you're buying. So that's money for you. It's money saved for you. You can take it as money gained also, and you can take it as money saved also, because whatever you're going to buy, you're going to save that 100 rupees, right? And money gained is that moment you have gained that money in your life. You got something extra. Okay, so just think on those terms now. Broaden your thinking, think outside the box now. That yes, I'm getting all these things. The discount is what? 1+1. I went to buy, I had gone to the shop, I ordered ketchup to the grocery person from where I buy, and I called that person and I said, I want a ketchup. But I didn't know that I'm going to get one pay, one free. And when it came, I saw, wow, I've got two. So, you feel that maybe that person has made a mistake, but when you call and ask, the person says there is a thing which is going on, the discount thing which is going on, one pay, one free you are getting. So then you really feel happy, na? Even if it's the smallest thing as a ketchup bottle or a refill pack of a ketchup, and you really feel happy. So celebrate that moment. Don't think what's the big deal, I've got just a small thing, why should I celebrate? Because for the universe, a 5 rupee, a 10 rupee, a 10 lakhs or 5 lakhs is the same, because it's a form of energy, only it has different vibrations, right? And these different vibrations are created by the human mind because of the value that has been given to us, given to it by us only. But for the universe, it's nothing. That's the reason, even if you feel that I want to earn 5 lakh rupees a month, and you keep on visualizing that, everything is realigned and you get that. You make it happen. That's the whole idea of writing our dreams on day one, day zero. Okay. So just remember this, that whatever circumstances like this appears in your life, and these are unexpected. Supposing you wanted to buy a book, you wanted to read a book, and some friend calls you, or unexpected gift comes to you, unexpected courier comes to you, and when you open, wow, I wanted this book, and who's gifted me this book, and you feel so happy. So just express your happiness and joy, because once you are in that space of happiness and joy and gratitude, be grateful. So when you are grateful, you be happy. When you are happy, you be grateful. It's all directly proportional to each other. So just remember this, because all these circumstances means that you have received money, and each instance is giving you an opportunity to use gratitude's magical power. And how and why? Because you will multiply your money even more by being grateful for the money you have received. Even what happens is, when we receive money from someone, and supposing some elderly person has come in the house and that person has given us 250 rupees, or even, I mean, you might feel, what is 250 rupees? It's just peanuts. What will I buy from 250 rupees? What can I buy and what will I do? But that time, just think that this is money, this is a form of energy. Be grateful for that 250 rupees. And sometimes we feel uncomfortable also. No, no, please don't give me, I don't want, I have enough. Don't say that. Don't say that. You're stopping the flow of money from coming into your life. Whoever gives you anything, accept it with full heart. Accept it with full heart and say thank you. You're saying thank you to that energy, and you're being grateful to that person also. So just be grateful. And remember one thing, money saved is also money earned. So even the smallest amount you have, just dance with joy, celebrate, celebrate. Just celebrate everything what you have, which money could buy. Just celebrate that. And one more thing which I would like to mention over here, is it okay? It's 10 minutes to 7. Can we go 5 minutes more?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, so one thing which I wanted to add, because this is the first chapter today about money, is from today onwards, just start your circle of money. So what you can do is, even if it's a 10 rupee note, give 10 rupee note to 3 people every day. Choose 3 people whom you can give. If you're moving out, you can give to anybody on the road. Anybody on the road. You can buy a apple bottle, or you can buy anything. You can buy a chocolate. You can buy a biscuit packet. You can give 10 rupee, whatever you feel. Just make sure that you are giving with full feelings, with gratitude. And also, whenever you're giving money, just charge that money and give it to people. So just take it in your hands, few seconds, just close your eyes and say that, you know, whatever I'm giving this to somebody, usko ye barakat kare, that person will have lot of abundance and joy of money in their life. Even if it's a 1 rupee coin, it doesn't matter. Just charge that money and give, and see how your feelings towards money will change. Your heart will start experience a different joy. So always charge that money and give. And also when you're receiving something, just charge that money also, because you don't know na kahan se घूम के वो money आया है आपके life में. So just charge that money when you're receiving, charge the money when you're giving. Yes, please continue.
Magic practice number 5, magic money. First, repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice. Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel gratitude for each one. Second, sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood and all the things you received that were provided at no charge to you. 3. As you recall each money where money was paid for
Each
you,
memory, each memory.
as you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words thank you with all your heart for each instance. Fourth, take a dollar bill or other small bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill in a big bold letters. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Fifth, take your magic dollar bill with you today uh, and at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon or as many times as you want. Take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. 6. After today, put your magic dollar bill somewhere you will see it every day to remind you to continue to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. 7. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for reading the chapter for us, Hinaji. Thank you so much. So, do you need any explanation for this? Everyone has understood the magic practice? Yes, no? We all know, and it will be posted in the group also. So,
Yes.
I think so. If anything is there you want to ask, you can ask. And anything regarding today's chapter, if you want to ask anything, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am. भरत here.
Yes, Bharatji.
कई दफे क्या होता है कि जब हम बिजनेस में कुछ ऑर्डर देने जा रहे हैं,
Can you put
तो
your
उस
video
टाइम
on?
नेगोशिएशन
Bharatji,
का
can you put your video on?
यस
Yes.
हम लोग जैसे बिजनेस में जो हमारा परचेस डिपार्टमेंट रहता है, तो उसमें जो भी मटेरियल परचेस करने का टाइम आता है, तब फाइनली नेगोशिएशन का भी एक पार्ट रहता है. तो कई दफे क्या होता है, मतलब मेरे और हिना के बीच में ये बहस रहती है, क्योंकि मैं नेगोशिएट करता हूं तो बोले ये नहीं करना चाहिए. तो नेगोशिएशन इज द राइट वे और नॉट?
So very beautiful, you've got this question, very important. So yes, before you actually crack the deal, before you actually make जो deal जो आपकी हो रही है, उसके पहले अगर आप negotiate कर रहे हो, but with what feeling are you negotiating? That's very important. Is there a feeling of scarcity? That's why you're negotiating. या फिर you are trying to do, I mean it's fine to negotiate. तो अगर आप नेगोशिएट क्या फीलिंग से कर रहे हो, पहले वो आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए. और अगर आप जो डील फाइनल हो रही है उसके पहले अगर आप कर रहे हो, देन इट्स फाइन. अदरवाइज डील फाइनल हो गई और उसके बाद में अगर आप नेगोशिएट कर रहे हो, देन इट्स अ कंप्लेंट. सो सी फॉर योरसेल्फ क्या कर रहे हो आप.
Okay.
Okay, so just
Thank you.
identify
Thank you,
that.
Vanna ji.
Yeah.
Got it.
So even when we go to buy vegetables
Buy
or
vegetables.
fruits, you know, we have this habit of negotiating with them. So पहले आप price पूछ लो, अगर आपको ठीक लग रहा है तो buy, otherwise don't buy. Just think, ask the price before only. Payment की time में if you are saying नहीं, please give it little less ना, please मेरे पास तो इतने ही रुपए हैं, I didn't get money today, that is not good. Okay, so just identify
Okay.
that. Everybody identify that in the life. Yes. Anybody else has any questions before we end today's session? Okay, the MIS participants, there's an, I mean, you can tell me the time for Sunday, 3 o'clock, is it fine? 3 o'clock is fine for you?
Yes.
Yes, okay, lovely. So we meet at 3 o'clock on Sunday. And I
Yes.
don't know, there are few personal messages which I'm getting for the MIS. People have missed out what it is. Yesterday also I got a message, and before that also that somebody of you are not able to open the form. Everybody, are you able to open the link of the MIS? Have you been, and you've understood first of all what is MIS, Magic Integrity Score? Have you understood that? Yes, no, if anybody is not understood, I'll explain to it again, otherwise I won't. Just tell me yes, no.
Yes, understood.
Yes, okay, lovely. So then, okay, we can end today's session, and thank you everyone for being in this session, a part of this session. We'll see you tomorrow. Until then, have a magical day. Have magics in the area of money, in the area of relationship, in the area of your health. Have a magical day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.